Hey YouTube, I have a Reality cr-10s. It has the big tree version 3. It's the SKR Mini installed, and it came with the screen. It was on Amazon. I had a friend spent a lot of time, a lot of hiccups getting this thing finally working. He did one print. I brought this home and things started acting really weird. He tried to figure out some situations. I did one print, and it was actually out in the garage, and the filament speed or something's off where it's pushing the filament really hard into the tube. I ended up buying a new hot end and all this because I was thinking it was this. This thing is becoming a money pit. It's just pushing it. It's not getting hot enough now. Then it just had another issue that happened. It's got Marlin mode and it's got the touchscreen. I went into Marlin mode to try to find a setting. Now this is all freaking out. When you hold this down, it just beeps and it won't let me go back to the other screen. So now I am stuck. So if anybody has any suggestions, please let me know. I bought this used from a lady a while back, back in July or June, and I still have not been able to work on it. So I've had nothing but issues and frustrations. So please, if you have any ideas, please contact me, send me a comment. So, all right, thanks. Bye.